Hi guys, this is Kristen back with another video of an unboxing because they're just fun, right? So I ordered a little goodie from Saint Laurent, and it's my first time ordering from the actual store website. I've gotten a couple other pieces from like department stores like Neiman Marcus, but this is my first time ordering from the actual Saint Laurent website. Just a little something, but of course, like one of the big things that just is so nice when you get something from like a higher end brand is just the packaging, you know, just the details that they kind of put into everything. So let's just unbox this thing and see what we got, see what Saint Laurent's doing. Okay, all right, so I've got my scissors here. So yes, this is a true unboxing. Hopefully it is what I think it is. We shall soon find out. Okay. So yeah, nicely packaged. It has this seal on there. It says, check the integrity of the seal before accepting the goods. So this is like serious stuff. Oh. All right. And then right there, bam, here it is. That is, wow, look at this. So that is one thing, like I said, when you order something from a department store, no matter how much it is, or when you buy something from a department store, no matter how much it is, usually you don't get all of this. Most of the time it comes with like their store box, like an Neiman Marcus box or a Saks box. Normally, unless it's like Louis Vuitton or something, I didn't get all this when I got my other, like my bags from Neiman. So this is just nice. I love this, you know, just classic, elegant black box and all of the goodies. So let's just see what we got in here. Got this envelope. It just says thank you. Saint Laurent, thank you, YSL.com. That's nice. You're welcome. Return label in case I need to send it back. And this is, yep, for returns, just a sheet just detailing like what to do, like if you need to send it back. And then they have like a pre-printed return label that I hopefully won't need. What else was in here? Okay, my receipt. It didn't have the price on here because I did do it like as a gift because I wanted, you know, gift box and all of that. So it just says what I bought. Okay, order summary, all that good stuff. Okay, so putting it back in the nice little envelope. Okay, and then I have this card. What is this? Oh yeah, okay, because like I said, I selected the kind of, is this a gift? And I said it was a gift to me from me. And so yeah, this is just another nice kind of like matching Saint Laurent envelope with a nice little card in here, a little message. Very, again, all very, very nice. Okay. So now to the main event. So nice. Okay, my bow is like a little, or maybe it's supposed to be like this. I don't know, but this is how mine came, with the bow on the side. I mean, I guess that's cute. It's different. Okay, so I don't want to untie it, so I'm just gonna pull it off. Pretty easy. Okay. Cute little label right here. Black tissue paper. And again, this is just a little something, but again, just all of these details are so nice. And that's like, you know, one of the benefits, one of the bonuses, I'll say, from ordering something, you know, from a luxury brand. You want every detail to be top notch. And I would say that it is. Okay. So we've got a nice little dust bag. It feels really good. And what is it? What did I get? got this. I got this New Era cap. Saint Laurent tag. All right, so one thing that I wasn't sure about is on the website, you see this sticker and I'm like, is that removable? Because I would definitely take it off. And it is. Because they never show it. They just show it just like this with a nice little black and white logo, which is so cute, just classy and classic. But also with this sticker, and all the pictures have this sticker on there. And I'm just like, again, like, is that removable? Yes, it is. Yep, you can just take it right off like that, which I will certainly do before wearing. But yeah, I just needed a cap. I wanted a cute cap. I've been at the golf course actually quite a bit this summer. And every time I'm there and the sun is like out, it's like, man, I need a cute cap. So of course there are a lot of brands out there, designer brands that have nice caps out there, but a lot of them are pretty pricey. This, in comparison to other brands like Gucci, Fendi, their caps are all maybe around like 500 or plus. This was about half that, okay? And it's like super cute, super nice. This was about $275, I believe. So, I mean, that's kind of budget conscious, I would say, maybe. But again, not cheap, you know, I won't say, oh, it's like cheap for, you know, a hat. I mean, it's still a hat, let's be real. But, I mean, it's Saint Laurent. It is nice. It is designer. So for a designer hat, I didn't think that was so bad, which is why I kind of justified the purchase, right? And I'll get a lot of use out of this. Look at this. It's just classic black, 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 black all the way around. The logo, it doesn't scream at you, but I do kind of like that it's raised. You can see it's like the black YSL, and then it's kind of outlined in white. And yeah, it has that raised detail. So cute. It feels nice. It's not just plain canvas or cotton. Like it has a little bit, just a tiny bit, kind of a satiny touch. Kind of like the dust bag actually, but it feels really soft. So it has this YSL logo right here, and it also has this, I guess this is part of a partnership, yeah, with New Era and YSL. So there's this, I guess, New Era logo right there in black. Cute. And all the way around, so this is adjustable. And, oh, look. Okay, so the label says, or not, this metal kind of, the metal portion says, I don't know if you can see, but it does say Saint Laurent back here. The Saint Laurent on one side, New Era on the other. So again, just details. They've like covered all the bases. In the inside, nice. Look at, I mean, this is different. You don't see this in every cap, but it, like all of the pieces, I guess instead of just having like one piece of fabric, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What, 6? I guess like triangles kind of stitched together. I guess maybe to make the hat maybe a little bit more flexible, possibly, or just kind of fit your head better. But so you have these all different pieces kind of stitched together to make the inside of the hat, and then you have, you know, this this ribbon covering the stitches on the inside, which is, you know, again, details. On the outside, it's just, you know, black stitching, so it just looks clean and seamless. And also, another thing, me and hats, I don't know, some of them don't always work because sometimes across the front, it just seems a little bit too straight. Another thing that I liked about this, even when it's not even on the head, you can see how curved this front part is. So it's gonna kind of curve and like fit your face really well. I like that a lot too. So I did some research before making this purchase, even though, you know, it's not a ton of money, but it's not, you know, you just want to make sure you're spending wisely, even, you know, when you're kind of splurging a little bit. And yeah, this looks really good. So I'm gonna, let's see, try to put it on. I have a hair and a ponytail. So I'm gonna see. Okay, see how easy that was? Oh my gosh, I wasn't sure it was my ponytail too high or too low. It didn't even matter. Oh, this is cute, Sean. Wow, okay, this is cute. So like I said, me and hats, they don't always work for me because a lot of times they're more kind of like hard and just straight across the front. Definitely not as curved as this, but this is so cute. And you see how easy it went on? It fits my head perfectly. I didn't have to adjust it at all. And even with my my ponytail, like I didn't have to, you know, sometimes the ponytail's too high or too low, went right on. Like this is perfect for me. Okay, I'm happy. This is good. This was a good buy. I'm totally happy about this. Look at that from the side. Oh, this is cute. I'm really happy. If it didn't fit well, I would have been disappointed. But it fits great, and I love how this curves to my face. Okay, Saint Laurent, thank you. Like gold star, 5 stars. This gets 5 stars for me. Of course, I'm gonna cut the tag off and take the sticker off, but just with like, you know, first try, I am happy. Look at that. That's cute. Okay, so if you were thinking about the Saint Laurent New Era cap, what do I think? I like it. I think it's so cute. Primarily because, I mean, of course, you know, logo, it has the black logo with the white outline, but this right here, this does a lot, just like covering, or no, framing the face. This frames the face so well. I am so happy. This is cute. I'm so happy because I don't have a hat. Like I have other hats, but I don't have another hat that fits my face as well as this does. Oh, this is cute. I am happy. This is cute. Okay, so once again, success. Okay, so this was the Saint Laurent New Era cap. It's like $275. So again, I mean, in comparison to other hats out there, this is definitely one of the more reasonably priced option. Yep, it's called the Cassandre New Era cap. And I love this curve. I love how the logo is. It doesn't scream, but I mean, you notice it. And most of all, just the fit. Like it fits my head. It fits my face. Great. Okay, so if you were thinking about getting a hat, if you were thinking about this hat, this cap in particular, hopefully this video was helpful for you. Again, this sticker does come off if you had the same question as I did. It is removable, and this is how it fits. I am pleased, and hopefully you like this video. Subscribe. I plan to do more. I'm just kind of getting started with these review videos and whatnot, but yeah, reviews, unboxings, all of the things. All right, thanks for watching so much. Have a great day. Me and my cat are out. Bye.